Hi!
I'm Elise.
And I'm Annabelle.
Okay, so today we're just going to have a look at the Wild Water Yowie Series.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ooh. Okay, so I can see all the guardians here. There's Diddy, there's Rumble. Oh yay, Booth. Nap, Crab, Squish. I can't wait to see what I get. Okay, so the Yowie Guardians, they protect the world, and the Wild Water Series have completely new Yowies inside them, so I cannot wait to see what I get. Okay, so I'm going to open Diddy, because he's my favourite. I can't wait. Yay! Okay, so here is Diddy, broken Diddy, but oh, good. Yeah. Nice. That's really good chocolate. Oh my gosh. It is a beluga sturgeon. Whoa. This guy looks awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna read a bit about this guy. This guy is apparently critically endangered. The beluga sturgeon. Females are fished for their valuable roe, commonly called caviar. This slows down the life cycle of species that can live up to 110 years. We should look out for these guys. They're very cute. I like these guys. Okay, this is Nap, my second favourite Yowie. He's always sleepy. So I'm going to open him up and see what I get this time. Ooh. Okay. So this is Nap. I love that chocolate. That's so good. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this thing looks cool. He is critically endangered. Okay. And he is an axolotl. In Mexico, cities like Xochimilco, the axolotl adult remains aquatic and gilled instead of developing lungs to breathe like other salamanders. So he's a salamander, that's interesting.